The Potensic Dreamer 4K drone has a built-in 3:1 CMOS Sony sensor with automatic exposure compensation. So you can take pictures and restore the scenes with 4K images. 30 FPS anti-vibration ball design reduces flight jitters and provides crisp, smooth images. The transmitter and camera use the 2.4 GHz radio waves, and is approved in Japan, so you can fly with confidence. The joystick is stored in the top storage box of the remote. Wi-Fi password is on the description below. This drone uses GPS plus GLONASS satellite positioning system to lock the drone in real time accurately. If signal loss or low battery, one key recall status, the drone can be precisely back to the takeoff point. It provides a powerful motor and low power consumption, while providing up to 31 minutes of long flight. Potensic Dreamer uses a high-performance brushless motor and reaches up to 36 km/h flying speed. It can withstand wind up to 8 meters per second multifunctional and beginner operation. Circle flight, waypoint flight, accurate altitude flight, automatic return, one key takeoff, landing, headless mode, emergency stop. Dreamer features an all-in-one design to minimize complicated operation. Ergonomic remote control and the new intuitive and safe maneuvering app allows users from beginners to pros to enjoy creative aerial footage. Please refer to the instruction manual before use. It can record not only collisions from the front, but also when you drive from the rear and drive along. Furthermore, the front and rear lens viewing angle is 140 degrees and the floor is 90 degrees for a wide range of shooting with less blind spots. The front and rear camera has a built-in supercapacitor and is equipped with a premium replacement lithium-ion battery with supercapacitor. Explosion-proof, thermal protection, and better memory storage. This dash cam can be flipped 180 degrees. It automatically starts recording when it detects the impact of a car while driving. In addition, the folder automatically locks and saves records. Whether you are a beginner or not a discomfort car parking, you can easily park it. The length of the rear camera extension cable in the product set is 6 meters, the signal will be clearly reflected. This model can automatically turn on and off when engines are turned on or off in conjunction with the car engine. Camera angle can be adjusted 90 degrees, and can record high-resolution videos and photos. After installing the free app compatible with your smartphone, access the device and you can see the images taken by the drone in real time on the smartphone screen. It makes charging more secure, and it is more convenient to install and remove. Not only does it come with a storage case that can be used to store parts as well as the drone and transmitter. This will make a great gift. Gesture shooting, trajectory flight mode, sensory operation mode, and 3D VR screen, etc., can be controlled by the smartphone app, to bring you a variety of fun. If the battery level is low, the LED on the unit will flash. When that happens, stop flying, cool down for about 15 minutes, then charge the battery. That is safe for children. Ideal gift for kids' birthday, Christmas, family activities and more. Take high-quality video and clear aerial photography. You can enjoy 60-minute live video via FPV by watching your phone with the drone. Multiple flight modes are available: altitude hold mode, 3D flip, gravity induction mode, headless mode, one-click start landing, return, emergency stop and 3-speed modes adjustment. Gesture control makes selfie easy. The drone can take photos and recording. Draw a pass on the phone screen and the drone will fly automatically along the route you set it. Strong safety. Low battery alarm, emergency stop, 4 propeller guards to ensure the safety of flight, 2 rechargeable and strong batteries, support up to 20 minutes, safe charging, longer flight. Perhaps this is your first drone. So do you have questions about our functions? Click the description link in the below, and free to contact us, and we are always at your service. The flying ball adopts the principle of the helicopter flying. But this flying ball has built-in propellers for safe play. It is thought to be able to understand lift, gravity, thrust, and drag when playing. Drive boomerang balls in your hands, while improving coordination and social skills such as communication and interaction. Various ways to play boomer spinner. It go horizontally and vertically on your palm, and the flying ball can magically float and rotate. It go horizontally and vertically, and the magically float and rotate. This flying ball automatically flights by detecting all 4 sides without using a controller. When you get your hand close or approach the wall, it will fly in the opposite direction, making it easy to fly and play. The middle LED changes colors and flashes beautifully, and when playing at night, This fall will be a best gift your kids enjoyed by everyone from children to adults. Thank you for watching. Check the link. Subscribe, share, like and comment below.